Welcome to this video. Today we are discussing in this video basic general knowledge question about Nepal. Now start this video. Question number 1. What is the official name of Nepal? Federal Democratic Republic of Nepal. Question number 2. What is the name of capital city of Nepal? Kathmandu is the capital city of Nepal. Question number 3. What is the national language of Nepal? Nepali is the national language of Nepal. Question number 4. How many provinces are there in Nepal? Seven provinces in Nepal. Question number 5. What is the national animal of Nepal? Cow. Bos Taurus. Question number 6. What is the name of largest city of Nepal? Kathmandu is the largest city of Nepal. Question number 7. Which is the color of Nepali flag? Cresmon red field and rhododendron flower. Question number 8. What is the name of national flower of Nepal? The national flower of the Nepal is rhododendron flower. Question number 9. What is the name of national bird of Nepal? Himalayan monal is the national bird. Question number 10. What is the name of currency of Nepal? The currency of Nepal is Nepali rupees. Thank you for watching this video.